In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer site ownership on WordPress. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking all of the key steps that you have to go through to make sure that you transfer the site ownership for WordPress. I'm also going to be teaching you how to transfer the WordPress dashboard access. So first, for the dashboard access, all that you would have to do is create a new user account. So you will be able to go over to users, add new, and create a new user account for the new owner, assigning them the administrator role. With this done, just share the new user's username and password with them, and they will be able to access your WordPress dashboard. They will have full access since they will have the administrator role. Now, if you want to transfer the actual domain ownership, this is going to depend on your domain registrar. But for the most part, you will be able to do it on your current owner's dashboard. So visit the site dashboard, and in there scroll down to the site tools section, and one of the options under site tools is going to be transfer your site. Immediately upon choosing this option, you will be able to type any email or wordpress.com username. If the new owner is not on WordPress yet, you will be able to send them an email, and WordPress will guide them through the sign up. Now, when you enter the email and you click continue, they will be able to read all of the warnings on screen, so make sure that you are aware of this process. You will be transferring the ownership of the site, but you will remain as an admin yourself. The new owner needs to remove your admin access if they want to. Any posts that you have published will remain altered by your account. The new owner will be able to change the alter later, and your WordPress.com plan and any other paid upgrades will remain on the site, but they will be transferred to the new owner. Your old billing history will remain on the original site's owner account, while future transactions will be associated with the new owner's account. You will be able to authorize this and transfer the ownership in full. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer site ownership on WordPress. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.